Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious butter Maggi. First, gather your essential ingredients: a packet of Maggi noodles, some butter, and water. You might also want to include your favorite vegetables for an extra touch. Make sure you have a saucepan and a stove ready to go. This simple addition of butter transforms the classic Maggi into a richer, more satisfying meal, perfect for any time. Now let's get cooking. Start by pouring 2 cups of water into your saucepan and bring it to a boil over medium heat. Once the water is bubbling, carefully add the Maggi noodles and the entire taste maker packet. Stir everything gently to ensure the noodles separate and cook evenly. Let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the noodles are perfectly soft and most of the water has been absorbed.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more easy recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: speaking of things that make life better like delicious Maggi, let's talk about making your car better too. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. It's a game changer. You can find the link for this and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Here's where the magic happens. Once your Maggi noodles are almost done, with just a little water remaining, add 1 generous tablespoon of butter directly into the pan. Gently stir the butter through the noodles until it completely melts and coats every strand. This simple addition is key to achieving that incredibly smooth, rich, and buttery flavor that makes this dish so special and comforting. Feel free to customize your butter Maggi to your liking. For added nutrition and color, you can stir in some chopped vegetables like peas, corn, or carrots during the last minute of cooking. A sprinkle of fresh coriander or a pinch of chili flakes can also elevate the taste. Once it's ready, serve your hot, delicious butter Maggi immediately and savor every single bite. It's truly a quick and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.